Hi everyone, in this session we will be going over the voice usage processing tool. Through this tool, the voice usage call detail records are created and processed. The process involves two main systems. One is the mediation for handling the call detail records and other is the intelligence for usage processing. The whole process is automated via iShare and shells. Just like the real world scenario, whenever a customer makes a call, the call is logged to the mediation systems and the call detail records are processed and sent to the intelligence for rating. To simulate the CDR generation, the mediation self-service tool is developed. Here the tester needs to provide the details such as the calling party, which is the call originator number, the called party, which is the destination number, event date, which is the call date, call start time, call end time, which will be used to calculate the call duration. All these details are used as an input to generate CDRs, and there is also an option to enter requester's email ID, which will be later used to send email acknowledgement. Once all the details are filled and user clicks on the submit button, all the input details are automatically passed to iShare. iShare is a process automation tool which parses the input data from email or SMS and triggers the usage processing with acknowledgement being sent to the requester. As we can see on the screen, the first row indicates the input data which was passed from mediation self-service tool to iShare. Also, a tracking ticket is automatically logged in the backend via iShare and user will be notified with the TR number in all the notification emails. At this point, iShare connects to the mediation server and triggers a shell script. The user gets the first email with the CDR name and details as shown on the screen. If no CDRs are found, the flow gets terminated and user is notified with the same. Once the CDR details are extracted, they are validated and processed via the mediation system and the output result with file details is sent over mail as shown on the screen. In case of any failures or errors, user will be notified of the same. This is the final step for the mediation system and the files are extracted automatically and transferred to the Telligence server by iShare where the usage is rated and processed. Once Telligence processes and rates the usage, a final notification mail as shown on the screen is sent to the user. As we see in this example, both the files have been rated successfully. Also, in case of failures, the user will be notified about the rejects. This brings us to the end of the session. Here we have seen how the entire process of CDR generation and usage processing has been automated with almost no human intervention. Thank you for joining.